1, rebuilds.
It's qualification match number 19. On Johnson, we have 9 teams that currently have a 5 ranking point average. Robonauts 118 is one of them. 9072, TigerBots, they get themselves stuck on fuel during that auto period. They're beached up there and unable to move. Robots in tube working there. As a result, the Red Line takes a big lead, 105 to 26, as the student drivers take control of the robots. 4450 run, the robots is on garage. 97 to a quick shove there, and they're off the field, not able to join. 7563 looks like they have some damage on their robot. On the side of their intake, they have a plate or something like that that seems to be flopping around. And 7563, Brazil, seems to be working quite fine with that plate flopping around. We go to the Red Alliance active now. They have the lead. And for whatever reason, Blue is shooting into an inactive hub. I'm not quite sure why they did that. Red's hub is active. 160 to 60. Red has the lead, and they are shooting. 103.96 Mostra from Türkiye. They're out there in the middle of their zone, but they have some fuel, but they're just kind of bouncing around. No shooting coming from the 103.96. Shift over to the Blue Alliance. They have a big deficit to come from 90 to 181. 9072 shooting lots of fuel there. It's a double robot. They put lots of fuel up in the air, while 7563 from Brazil shoots for the Blue Alliance. Shift over to Red. This is the Alliance Red only activation. They have a really good lead, 183 to 164, but this could come down to either Alliance winning. Robonauts are grabbing fuel, pushing fuel through for their human wires. And we go into endgame. Both hubs are now active. 7563 from Brazil, shooting and bouncing, grabbing fuel from back in the back of their main station wall. TechKnights from Brooklyn, New York, trying to play some defense against that. 7563 is unfazed. Blue Lights comes from behind. 274 to 231. They have the lead.